checking this dryer out. It's leaving black stuff on the clothes. See the drain pipe right there. See where what kind of stuff is in here. It's all normal fabric length. So that's all normal stuff. No black residue there. Open the dryer. Door switch works. And I'm looking inside the cabinet. See something there. Take some of these clothes out. Take these clothes out. So now I'm looking inside. On the drum. See the socks getting stuck in there. You could see that's the roller there. The roller is completely worn out. You can see the metal. It's supposed to have a space like that, equivalent to the bottom. You can see it's touching. So that's because of the defective roller. This is where the heat comes out. And you could see from the vent being clogged previously, it allowed excess heat to build up in the dryer, which was burning the clothes. So that could be a source for the marks, because once this gets heated up again, it could be rubbing off on the clothes. But it definitely needs new rollers. New rollers down there. The socks is stuck in the unit. And that's the socks there. That socks going up for me into. That's the model number. Alright, so new rollers. New felt, rear felt pad.